is here, and it's time for an evening safe and sane firework demo. But before we get to the firework, say hello to the one, the only, Sergeant Pyro! Sergeant Pyro, what are we gonna demo tonight?
We've got Starry Night from SUNS Firework.
Whoa! So Starry Night fountain, and I'm just gonna move the cam up here with Ziggy. Hey, by the way, everyone say hello to Ziggy!
Hey, Ziggy!
Yeah, good job, Ziggy. I think we're gonna keep Ziggy full time, aren't we?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna keep him on the ranch. So SUNS Fireworks, now that's a new brand of fireworks, and Starry Night fountain you can get here in Arizona at Santan Fireworks, santanfireworks.com, opening mid-June 2025. They'll be open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Go to their website, santanfireworks.com. 60 locations, 2 locations in New Mexico, and really cool stuff this year. This year they are knocking the doors down with fireworks. All right. Now, is there any performance on here?
No, sir.
No, sir. So we got a little star effect there, or get everybody Starry Night. Let's take a little spin with the fountain. There we go. All right. Yeah, I mean, they really don't put too much down there. Oh, you're good, Sergeant Pyro. We got caution. All right. And, yeah, one more time. All right. So, we're going to get ready. Sergeant Pyro, are you ready?
Yes,
to
sir.
Go? Let's get to the street pad. Jeez, I can't get it. I'm so excited. Let's go! The street pad. That's what I was trying to say. Sergeant Pyro is gonna light fuse and let's get away. Starry Night, baby. SUNS Fireworks. Brand new. Santan Fireworks. Whoa, yeah. Let's get back a little bit here. I'll tell you what, that was starry amazing. Whoa!